Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with Element 3D in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's create new solid layer for Element 3D. Right mouse, new and solid layer. Add the name Element 3D and click OK. Go to FX, Video Copilot and Element. Let's click Scene Setup, Import, and select this mini 3D model. This is 3D object, and click Open. And don't change any settings, click OK. So right now we have 3D model but without any textures. Let's add textures. Open here, select this material 1 and go to texture diffuse. Let's click none set and click load texture. And I will use 100 USD. Select texture. Let's open here for see full texture. Okay, this is UV texture. We can change this money here for use other money currency. And let's select this USD, click open and click OK. Here we go, we have 3D model, and in this time let's go to create and plane, and let's click scale tool, change scale. Okay, click move tool and select this 3D money and move up. So in this time, go to presets and open physical folder, and I'm gonna use meta shadow. Let's use for plane. Okay, and select this money. Let's Control D for duplicate, move to left. Okay, and again Control D for duplicate and move up and change rotation. Okay, and let's select this money 3D. Let's move to here and move up. And let's put down like this. Okay, so in this time, click environment and go to environment folder and backlight. And let's use, for example, let's try this backlight or this. Or try this. Okay, let's click OK and right mouse, go to new and create camera, click OK and press C for change camera movements icons. Also we can use these icons for camera movements, and let's press C again, change view. Okay, and let's create new solid layer for background. Right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK and move to behind of layers and go to FS presets, search effect fill, select fill, use for background, and color, let's choose here white, click OK. And for realistic shadows, select this Element 3D, go to render settings and ambient occlusion, let's enable. Okay, change intensity 10 and we can place settings for realistic like this, and sample, let's use 64 for realistic shadow. Let's press C again. Okay, very nice. And also we can use multi samples here, 16. Okay, not bad. For now, let's choose here 0. Okay, so let's open color like this and change color and intensity change here 6. Okay, not bad. So let's create rotate animation. Select this Element 3D and go to first group and create orbit null. Let's create here and select null object, press R. Let's see. Okay, let's create Y rotation keyframe and go to 6 seconds. Press N for select work area and change rotation 1 and change quality quarter. Let's see. Okay, let's fix anchor point. Go to camera and select here top and select null object. Go to anchor point and move the anchor point to center. And let's see. Here we go. It works. Click session tool and back to active camera And let's preview animation. Nice. Let's back to project, select this composition, Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's open composition and change quality quarter. Let's press C and zoom to here, and let's create cinematic scene. Let's scale more. Let's see. Okay, let's go to last second and change this -1 and select camera. Let's open inside camera options and depot field, change aperture 100 and change focus distance like this, and blur level 200. Let's see. Okay, I like it, not bad. And let's select element 3D layer and go to effects control and ambient occlusion, change this 10 for more shadow. Okay, that's good. And let's preview for full quality. Okay, that's good. I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.